So I'm just going to create a new program here called F to C. It's the temperature converter program. Give it a heading. So something fairly simple. We'll insert a text label for Fahrenheit. And it is going to be right aligned. And the font is going to be 14. We're going to position this below here, and we're actually going to freeze the size of the field. We'll see how that comes in play later. We're going to give it a field. Let's zero that out. This will be the F field, which would stand for Fahrenheit. And its font will be 14. Oh, that didn't zero out, so I didn't hit enter, I guess. Okay, good enough. And then we're going to duplicate this label. And we're going to call it Celsius. And we're just going to move it down. And then we're going to take this field and give it a formula. That's under actions. So under this one, we're going to take the results that we type into the Fahrenheit field and put it into the Celsius field. So that will be called the C field when we get there. Right now we haven't created it, so that's okay. I'm going to take everything that we have here, and we're going to do a bit of a formula on. We're going to take what the F field has in it, convert it into a floating point before we do any math, and then we're going to subtract 32 from it, and then we're going to divide the whole thing by 1.8. So that should be a proper formula there. Now we want the Celsius to have a field in it as well, so we're just going to duplicate this one again, and we're going to rename it. And this is now going to be the C field, which is the one we're working on here. You can tell that by we highlight it. Now we have an action here that already has partial formula in it from the other one. We just need to change a few things over. And we're going to change this to multiply times 1.8, and then we're going to add 32. We're going to submit that, and that should be a working equation now. It is. Let's just double check. Minus 40 is usually where they cross over. Yeah, it looks like that's a completed program.